Hi, to fix connection issues on your Marshall Miner 4, as a first step, we need to take our phone and open its settings. From here, select Connections, go in Bluetooth, and here just check what happened with your device. You can either see it in this paired devices list like in my case, but we got no status connected, so they simply disconnected from the phone. Or as another option, you cannot see it in the list of paired devices and you cannot connect them to the phone. For that, I got several solutions. So first thing you can do is really simple. We can just reset Bluetooth. For that, just tap on the switcher to turn it off. Wait a few moments and then turn it on again. And now your earbuds should reconnect with the phone. But if not, we will need to reset them. So to reset those earbuds, you will need to open the lid first, make sure that both earbuds are in the charging case, and now find this black button on the bottom of the case and hold it so that indicator on the front will blink blue first and then it will turn on purple and we can release the button. Let's try this out. So now it is blinking blue and we are continue holding the button till it will turn on purple. And now it's purple, so just stop holding the button. After that, we will need to hold it again after a few seconds till the indicator will be blinking blue. So let's try this out. And yep, now it's blinking blue. We have been successfully restarted those earbuds, and now just go back into your phone settings as we did before. Disable Bluetooth, then enable it again. Find your Miner 4 from the list. If you got it in the list of paired devices before, you need to tap this unpair option and then find it in the list of available devices. Tap to select and wait a couple of seconds so you can tap on this button pair. And now it is reconnected with the phone because we can see the status connected now, battery remaining, and we can also see it in the tab paired devices. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.